to maintain law and order and also to help reduce the suffering of Edo people. Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki don direct the reconstruction of the old Benin-Agbor road. The governor give this directive when he carry waka go see the palliative work wey dem dey do for the Benin-Agbor road with Commissioner of Roads and Bridges Engineer Uzamere and other top ogas dem. Oga Obaseki, when he see the way the people take part come out, come order the Commissioner for Roads and Bridges Uzamere to sharply reconstruct the old Benin-Agbor road as part of his government effort to help the people come out from suffering sake of say he know say the people don suffer wella for more than 3 months sake of the bad road, and he also know say their markets don go down and dem no dey fit even go house sake of the road. He come also give accolades to the youth for wetin dem dey do when dem take dey maintain order. Obaseki come talk say the situation wey dem dey today don pass wetin state government go fit handle, as the palliative work wey dem dey do so dem go need to look for money to take do am so that dem go fit reduce the suffering of Edo people. He come talk say everybody know say this road na federal road and federal government don sell the road to somebody, and say this one wey dem dey do so na by force sake of say dem know say dem no fit stop, as federal government no go give dem the money back, not even 1 kobo, and say dem no go bother to ask dem to refund the money wey dem use. Obaseki come talk say the permanent solution na to reconstruct the old Benin-Agbor road, and say the reconstruction of the old road go start for dry season, and as usual dem go barricade the road so that no trailer or truck go fit follow the road.
I'm here today to look at the palliatives we are doing on this road. I know that you people have been suffering for more than 3 months now. Your market has gone down. You cannot even get to your homes. I want to thank you, the youths, for what you have been doing, for maintaining order. Despite the suffering, you people have been peaceful.
Yes, sir.
I want to thank you. The situation you have here today is beyond the state government. This palliative we are doing, this remedial action, we have to go and look for money to do it so that we can ease the suffering.
Yes, sir.
This road, as you know, is not our road. It is a federal road. And federal government, they have sold this road to somebody. They say they did concession many years ago, about 3 years ago. So they will not allow us to touch it. This one we are doing is by force, because they know they cannot stop you and us. But they are not going to refund us 1 kobo. And we are not even going to worry asking them to refund us. The permanent solution is, because this road is not our own, and federal government has refused to give us this road, we will now go and construct the old road, which is our own. Well, so we will start the construction of that road this dry season. And as usual, we will put barricade, no trailer or truck will follow that road. You understand? If the federal government let them not do this road. The minister is from the east. This is the main road to the east. So if he doesn't want his people to go home for Christmas, he's on his own. We will look for a way to get to our own homes.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Please continue to be law-abiding.
Yes, sir.
We will work for you.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry what is going on in Abuja. They don't care about us, but we will care about you.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes,
sir. Please continue to be peaceful.
Yes, sir.
We will do all we can to make sure this road is open
Yes,
in
sir.
the next 2 weeks.
Yes, sir.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojeseli, TMC TV News.